Thank you for taking the time to listen to this tutorial on how to care for your Grant OLS and LSB AquaPro shaking baths. If you need any assistance after following this guide, please contact us. Details may be found on the Grant website. Grant's new AquaPro shaking bath range provides exceptional temperature performance and incorporates Motion Pro technology to ensure samples are reliably shaken and securely held. In this tutorial, we'll cover the type of water to use with your water bath and how to clean, store and perform simple checks on it. All Grant water bath tanks are manufactured from high-quality stainless steel. By following a few simple steps, it's easy to maintain the corrosion resistance of your bath and enjoy many years of trouble-free use. The shaking mechanism has been designed so that it's easy to remove and reassemble without the need for tools. For effective cleaning, we advise removing the shaking mechanism before cleaning. We recommend changing the water and cleaning the bath regularly using a soft cloth and warm soapy water. Steel wool or abrasive sponges should never be used. If rust spots are seen, these are usually only minor and can be permanently removed using a domestic non-scratch cleaner or non-metallic scourer such as Scotch-Brite. Microbial build-up in the bath can be prevented using specialist water bath biocides available from all major scientific distributors. The working life of your water bath can be extended by avoiding scratching or placing ferrous-based items in the bath. To clean the lid, use a soft cloth and warm water with detergent. If you're planning to store the bath after use, we'd recommend cleaning and drying it completely before storage. When using the bath after storage and before filling with water, briefly wipe out the tank with a clean, soft cloth to remove any dirt or dust which may have accumulated. There are no user-serviceable parts on the water bath, so removal of covers will never be necessary. We suggest that you periodically check the bath for any obvious signs of wear and tear. For safe and effective operation, the bath should be free from cracks or damage and the power cord free from kinks or bends. If you are in any doubt, please contact our technical support team for advice. The following contact details may be useful.